Special Judge Eddie Coleman heard from both prosecutors and defense attorneys on motions in Prestonsburg Tuesday for a change of venue and a speedy trial in the Amber Spradlin murder case. Coleman and both sides agreed to have the trial moved to Pike County and have all subsequent hearings in that county as well.
We're going to grant that motion for change of venue. We're going to go to Pike County. Now, it's really the call of the defendants, but I'd sort of like to do the hearings in Pike County.
That's fine, Your Honor. No objections from
No objection to me, Judge.
Going forward to?
Yeah.
Yes, that's fine.
Coleman also stated his intention to issue certain orders to curb activity that has taken place since hearings began in Floyd County.
I'm going to enter an order basically, when I came in here, I saw people getting people to honk their horns, and last time we had a hearing, we had that going on, and,
Sure.
and around the curtilage around the Judicial Center in Pike County, I don't want people gathering around the front doors, and we're not going to have people honking like that. And then I'm also going to have the bailiffs restrict entry. I'm not going to have anybody enter the courtroom who's wearing one of these shirts. I just don't think it's appropriate.
At Audiology Associates of Prestonsburg, you can live your life the way you want and find the freedom of better hearing. With 40 years of being in the hearing care industry, you'll experience patient care that is specific to you with exceptional follow-up care that ensures your hearing and balance needs are being met. Audiology Associates at 1428 North Lake Drive in Prestonsburg.
A decision on the speedy trial motion wasn't come to, but Coleman said during the hearing he wants a trial date for early December.
This case was investigated for a long period of time before charges were filed. Since charges have been filed, it's still been a fairly long period of time. Judge, it's our motion for a speedy trial. We're ready to try it whenever is convenient with the court.
M.K. McKinney has been charged with Spradlin's murder. Spradlin's body was found on June 18, 2023 in the home of M.K. McKinney's father, Prestonsburg dentist Michael McKinney.
The length of the delay, we believe we could be ready by February or March, which is 10 months from now. That would put the trial date being about 18 months from the date of arrest, which that is not a long time for a case of this complexity. There's certainly been many more cases that have been upheld on speedy trial grounds subsequent with much lengthier delays.
Both McKinneys and family friend Josh Mullins are also charged with 8 counts of evidence tampering for allegedly trying to cover up the crime. The next hearing, during which Coleman said he hopes to see a trial date set, will be in Pike County on June 24th. Reporting for Mountaintop News, I'm Sheldon Compton.